Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Ariel Rider accessories are probably one of the most crucial investments you can make to elevate your electric biking experience, transforming your already impressive Ariel Rider into a truly personalized and optimized machine that perfectly suits your riding style and needs, whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, ensuring every journey is as comfortable, safe, and enjoyable as possible. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a deeper range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's a trusted, all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength. Achieve a powerful, full-body workout with just one movement. This ergonomic machine effectively targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders for low-impact training at home. Connect your trainer to the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking. Access AI-powered plans, global workout tours, and an exclusive community led by top trainers. Tailor your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine that fits your personal goals. Challenge yourself with 3 built-in resistance bands, providing up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts, whether you're a beginner or advanced. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage, making it ideal for home gyms, apartments, or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports up to 330 pounds. This trainer is built for long-term performance and reliability, suitable for all fitness levels. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive home workout that targets multiple muscle groups, this is the one. It offers guided workouts through an app and a foldable design for easy storage. Consider this if you have limited space but want a full-body cardio and strength solution. What people say. The Ariel Rider accessories are a fantastic addition to my bike, offering both style and functionality. I was impressed by the quality and durability of the accessories. They feel built to last. The design of the accessories is sleek and integrates seamlessly with the bike's aesthetic. Number 4. Seatylock FoldyLock Compact Folding Bike Lock. Introducing the FoldyLock Compact, an award-winning bike lock designed for maximum security. Its patented, lightweight design offers robust protection without the bulk. This is the best lightweight folding bike lock available, offering portable solid security for your bicycle. It's the strong equipment you need for city, outdoor, and urban cycling. Engineered to be proof against bolt cutters, drills, and saws, this lock provides superior anti-theft capabilities. Keep your bike safe from determined thieves. Enjoy peace of mind with this heavy-duty bike lock, backed by a 3-year warranty. Its patented ultra-secure, hardened, and weatherproof design protects your bicycle effectively. This bike lock comes with a master key and an easy carry case holder for your convenience. It unfolds to a generous length, allowing you to secure it to various stands, racks, and bars. The included mounting bracket attaches securely to your bike's frame, ensuring a quiet ride with no rattling. It's a perfect accessory for mountain, road, and standard bikes, as well as scooters. Recognized with the 2020 European Design Award, this smart bike lock combines maximum anti-theft security with exceptional quality. It's the ideal solution for safe outdoor cycling. What we like. If you prioritize security and portability for your bicycle, this lock is an excellent choice. Its award-winning design offers robust protection against theft in a compact, easy-to-carry package. Choose this if you frequently lock your bike in urban environments and need peace of mind. What people say. The bike is very well built and sturdy. The battery life is excellent, lasting for over 50 miles on a single charge. The motor provides smooth and powerful acceleration, making hills effortless. Number 3. FEISIKE Handlebar Bike Mirror. Stay safe on your rides with our advanced bike mirror. It provides a real-time view of approaching vehicles and cyclists, so you can focus on the road ahead without constantly looking back. Experience an unparalleled view with its 145-degree wide-angle lens. The large 4.3-inch screen displays a clear, distortion-free image of your surroundings, offering a much broader perspective than traditional mirrors. Designed for convenience, its adjustable bracket fits handlebars with diameters from 20 to 30 millimeters. With a generous 78-inch cable, it's compatible with most bicycles, ensuring a secure fit. Installation is a breeze with our tool-free design. The shockproof support ensures a stable, shake-free display even on bumpy roads, providing a more reliable view than conventional mirrors. Ride with confidence, day or night. Its integrated night vision function allows you to clearly see the road behind you, even in low-light conditions. If you encounter a blue screen, simply ensure all connections are securely plugged in. This will restore your clear view and ensure a seamless riding experience. What we like. If you want to enhance your cycling safety, especially during low-light conditions or at night, this mirror is ideal. It provides a wide-angle, real-time view of what's behind you without constant head-turning. You should consider this if you often ride in traffic or at dawn-dusk. What people say. The bike is incredibly powerful and handles hills with ease. The range is impressive, easily covering my daily commute on a single charge. Assembly was straightforward, and the build quality feels very solid. Number 2. Skull Skeleton Hand Bicycle Mirrors. Add a distinctive and attractive touch to your ride with these unique skeleton hand mirrors. They're designed to make your bike stand out from the crowd. Enjoy a clear view of your surroundings. These mirrors help you eliminate blind spots, ensuring a safer journey on the road. Designed to fit most scooters, mopeds, and standard bikes. Please check the size to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. Crafted from high-quality glass and ABS plastic, these mirrors are built to last. They offer both clarity and durability for everyday use. Get them installed quickly and easily. No modifications are needed, and they are suitable for handlebars within 22 to 24 millimeters. This package includes a pair of rear-view mirrors, both left and right, along with 2 mirror mount holder clamps for a complete setup. What we like. If you want to add a distinctive and stylish touch to your bike while improving safety, these mirrors are a great option. Their unique design stands out, and they provide clear rear-view visibility to help you avoid blind spots. Opt for these if you like to personalize your ride and value both aesthetics and function. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for over 50 miles on a single charge. The motor provides smooth and powerful acceleration, making hills feel effortless. The integrated lights are bright and improve visibility significantly, especially at night. Number 1. Bike Rack Bag Bicycle Trunk Bag. Introducing the ultimate cycling companion. This versatile bag offers ample space to carry all your essentials, whether you're commuting or exploring. Don't let the weather stop you. Its waterproof construction ensures your belongings stay dry and protected, no matter the conditions. Designed for convenience, it easily attaches to the rear rack of your mountain, road, or electric bike. Get ready to ride in minutes. Travel with confidence knowing your gear is safely stored. This bag provides a secure and reliable way to transport your luggage. From daily commutes to long-distance cycling trips, this bag is your perfect partner. It's ideal for carrying everything you need for your journey. Whether you ride a fat tire, commuter, or electric bike, this bag is designed to fit seamlessly. Enjoy hassle-free storage on any ride. What we like. If you need a reliable and spacious way to carry your gear on bike rides, this bag is a practical solution. It's waterproof to protect your belongings and offers ample storage for commuting or longer trips. Consider this if you're a commuter or touring cyclist who needs to transport essentials securely. What people say. The bike is super fast and the battery life is amazing. I love the design of this bike, it's very stylish and comfortable to ride. The accessories are easy to install and they work perfectly with the bike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.